Hi, my name is Alessandro, and today I'm going to teach you all something new. We're going to be learning how to fold clothes. Clothes. Yeah, I know clothes ain't fun and laundry sucks. But when you're an adult, who's gonna fold it? Your parents or yourself? And that's something we all got to teach to the world, how to be independent. And one of the ways is by folding pieces of clothing, whether it be a towel, socks, any form of pants, and of course a sweatshirt and t-shirts, and of course your pajamas that we all love being in. I know. But like as I said, if you don't know how to fold, how are you going to get through the world? And we all deserve to educate other people on how to be good at certain skills. So here's how we start. Let's do how we get up in the morning. We're still in pajamas. Some of us just take it off and, put on clothes or leave it crumple. So here I'm going to do it by showing you. With the pants, always do this, then fold in half, and then fold it again, and then that's how you get it done. And the same with the top part. You fold, put both sleeves on top of each other, then you fold it again, and then do it again. With the towel, the way you do it is, you always want to put your neck or your chin so you can hold it steady. Fold it in half, then shake it a bit so it's all loosened up and uncrumpled. Then fold it again in half. There, now it's long as a rectangle. Then fold it into a square. There. Now we've got a t-shirt. I know, I love what it's on there. The way we do it is by folding it first with the sleeves. There, now we have them with the sleeves. Now fold it again. And there you have a folded t-shirt. These pair of shorts, you first make sure they're straight on both sides, then you fold them in half like a rectangle, then fold them again, and now you have folded pants. The same thing with jeans, even though they're longer, they still the same thing, you apply it. Make sure the jeans are buttoned, then folded. Now you have a long blue rectangle, but fold again, and then you have it shorter. And of course you can try one more time, and now you have it neat and folded. Now do it again with the sweater. You put it down, start with the sleeves, then and then fold it, and there you go. Now with socks, this is how you do it. First take them apart, then put them together, and then roll it up like this. And that's how you fold clothes. We all gotta be independent and teach everybody skills that we all have to apply in our adult lives. Thanks.